Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can type in a different language on Android keyboard. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll your screen until you find the general management. This is the general management setting. You have to click on it. Then since we want to type in a different language on our keyboard, we can click on keyboard setting. Alright, and you can click on languages and types. Then you're going to manage your input languages right here. Tap on the manage input languages. Then you can select the language that you want to use on your keyboard. This is my downloaded languages, and this is the available languages. And before you use the language, you have to download it first. You can tap on this download button, and after the language has been downloaded, you will be able to use it on your keyboard. And for example, I'm going to use Indonesian keyboard and also the Korean keyboard. So we can click on the circle button to activate the language. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm going to open my keyboard. Alright, and this is my keyboard, and if you want to switch the language, you just need to swipe on your space button like this. Okay, and now I can type in Korean language. And alright guys, that's how we can type in a different language on Android keyboard. Alright guys, and that's how we can type in a different language on Android keyboard. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.